contacts and the contact details. So we have this dummy file here whereby we have the first name, the email, the phone, and all of these things. We are going to be bringing them into ConvertKit. Okay, so in our file here, when we come back to this file, we can see the different custom fields that we need to create inside of ConvertKit. So to do that, you're going to go back into your ConvertKit account and you're going to click on any of the subscribers that you currently have. And when you click on that, you can be able to add field from here. You can also add field from your forms if you want, but we want to add it from here. So when we click on add field, we can then be able to start adding each of the field we want to add. So one thing about ConvertKit is that there is nothing like maybe you want to add in a currency field like the way most CRM work. You just need to put the name of the field and you click on save, and that is going to save that particular field. So let's say we want to add a field and we want to name it last name. And when we click on save, that is going to save this particular field. And as you can see, the field has been created here, and you can start labeling and start adding different things for this field. So the same thing applies when we want to create email. We already have the field for email, so we don't need to create the email field inside of ConvertKit. But then we want the one for phone where we want to see the phone number. So we are just going to copy this and we're going to come back into ConvertKit and we're going to click on add field and we are going to paste the field over here and we're going to click on save. And that is also going to save the phone field. When we come back into this Excel file, we can also see here where we can be able to add in job title. We can add in the company name and all of this. So let me add in all of them so we can see how that is going to work. Okay, so now I have added in all of this custom field, and as you can see, all of it has been added in here. So all of this custom field that are currently inside of this Excel file are now created inside of ConvertKit. So one thing about ConvertKit is that it does not really separate the type of field. You know, in most email marketing platform, you can be able to pick if the field is a currency field or if it is a radio button or if it is a checkbox or a drop down. But ConvertKit does not actually do that. It just allows you to put the name and you can put whatever it is for that particular field. You can fill in whatever it is inside that field. Yeah, so that's the difference between that and ConvertKit. And if you come over here, you can see the source, you can see all of this UTM tracking. You can also see where how the particular contact subscribe, and you can also add in a tag. So to add in a tag for this contact, you can just click here. It's going to show you all of the current tag that you currently have, and if you do not have a tag, you can just put in anything. Let's say we want to name this new lead. If we want to name this new lead, we can then click on create new lead, and that is going to create that tag for us. And you can click on add tag, and that is going to add the tag for this particular contact. So if you're already using ConvertKit but things are not working the way you expected it to work, maybe your automations are confusing or your tags are very messy or your sequences are very disconnected right now, or you're not just sure whether your current setup is structured properly for your business process, it is time to get extra support. At CRM Instructors, we help businesses with ConvertKit implementation, optimization, and even email marketing audits. So whether you need help setting up your ConvertKit account from scratch, fixing, or you need help with fixing an existing setup, or you want to improve your automations, or you want to review the current email marketing system, or you want to review your current email marketing systems for gaps and missed opportunities, we can help with this. Our audit process helps identify what is working, what needs improvement, and what changes can actually make your email marketing system more effective and more organized. So if you need hands-on implementation, we support with that too. If this sounds like something you need, you can find the links in the description below. And if this video has helped you, make sure you subscribe because we have amazing tutorials like this and we do not want you to miss out. So subscribe to this channel and also like this video and also share with everyone who you think is going to need this video. And also we have a target of reaching 1,000 subscribers by the middle of this year, and you can actually make that happen for us. So subscribe to this channel and also do not forget to turn on that notification bell. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.